so there's this viral math equation floating around for years now. 6 divided by 2 parentheses, 2 plus 1 and parentheses. And it's 17 million people have watched this one YouTube video about it, and everyone's arguing about it on Facebook for years now. And is the answer 1? Or is it 9? And it is a great conundrum. So wanting to be well-tubed, I watched some YouTube videos about it. Because if you read a lot of books, you're said to be well-read. I read a lot of book sleeves, so I'm said to be a pretty good conversationalist. I also watch a lot of YouTube videos, so hey, guess what? I'm well-tubed. So welcome to WellTubed, and here's one for learning. 6 divided by 2 parentheses 2 plus 1 end parentheses. Is it 1 or 9? Oh my goodness. So I said 1, and I got into a back and forth in the Facebook group that asked the question, and I thought, wow, this is great. So I watched the YouTube video about it, and there's lots of videos about it. I'll share some links below. The conundrum starts because modern math equates it. You just go PEMDAS, the order of operations, and once you solve the parentheses, then division is equal to multiplication, and you just go from left to right, which gives you the answer 9. The problem is, historically, and this means up to the year 1917 or so, the division symbol was kind of a balancing act, and it meant to decide that you solve this divided by whatever's on the other side of the division symbol. So you would do the parentheses and what's next to the parentheses to get what's on that side of the division symbol, and then you would solve the equation that way, which would give you the answer 1. So is it 1 or is it 9? Here are some links to some cool YouTube videos below. You can decide for yourself. Modern math says 9. And by the way, it seems to me that the modern math is more practical because we use computers and calculators, which would do it the way you input it. So you would input the parentheses first, and then you would go from left to right. That's how you input it into the calculator, which will always yield 9. They can only solve it the way you put it in. So it comes down to intention. Had they used a multiplication symbol instead of just the parentheses, you know, the 2 next to the parentheses, then it would have been clear that division and multiplication have the same weight and value in the order of operations, and then you just go left to right. I'm no mathematician, so you're going to have to decide for yourself. Check out these videos, get well-tubed, tell me what you think. Is it 1 or is it 9? Math is hard. Thanks for watching. See you next time. I'm Sharpo.